Hey, what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer with BacheloretteVegas.com, and I'm standing here today in front of We All Scream. You kind of see it in the background here, right next to the bar called Cheap Shot, and then right next to me over here, between this restaurant, I believe this Thai restaurant, is Commonwealth, okay? And tonight was the grand opening of We All Scream, and there was freaking a line down the street to get into this place, and it was rocking, all right? It was a cool venue, owned by the same group that owns Commonwealth, Cheap Shot, and We All Scream, and of course across the street, the Tequila Bar and Disco Pussy. These are all owned by one group called Corner Bar Management, and there's a restaurant right up here in the corner called Park on Fremont that's also owned by them, and another restaurant down the street called Peyote, and they also own Oddwood Bar inside the Area 15. So that's a lot of their venues. They own several of them, and I think they maybe own some more than that, but those are the ones I can think of right off the top of my head. Anyway, so let's talk about what We All Scream tonight, and about this venue, and what it's going to be here in Las Vegas, and if we're going to be able to do some bottle service and whatnot. And I'm going to be putting together some cool packages for bachelors and bachelorettes. And if you just want to come down here and party on Fremont Street East, it's a cool party. It's a Wednesday night. It's still crazy, so don't mind if you hear some loud noises and some people clowning in the background, because that's what you would expect with a bunch of people drinking after 2 a.m. here at the bars down here when things are letting out. So We All Scream, I'm not 100% sure what days are going to be open yet, because I looked on Google and it didn't show their listing yet. It's too new. It just opened up. But you can imagine they're going to probably be open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and maybe one of the days during the week. It is a cool venue when you walk in. They do have an ice cream shop in the front, so I think they're going to sell ice cream during the day, maybe even at night to people that want to have a little ice cream while you're there. The ice cream was fantastic. I had some, I don't know, some kind of like pecan ice cream. It was fantastic. It was some of the best ice cream I ever had. It was awesome. And then when you walk in on the left, there's a really cool table that's going to be perfect for like bachelorette parties, most likely bachelorette parties. That'll probably go for a little bit higher minimum, maybe a 2-bottle type package we'll have. And then there's a bar at the main level that's got like ice cream cones as like the supports, so it's pretty cool. And then you walk in, and then there's a big staircase up on the right to go upstairs, and it's all painted really cool. It's psychedelic kind of. It's definitely a really nice paint job. I think it's one of the Burning Man artists or whatnot. They told me it was the artist that painted it. And then if you walk straight back, there's an outdoor area, and they got this big ice cream truck that's like lit up in neon. They got a DJ hanging out of the middle of the ice cream truck, and then they got a bar on the right-hand side, and then like a dance floor, and they got a pretty banging sound system out there. It was packed tonight. And they got a stairs that goes from the back upstairs, and they got a big neon thing for some good Instagram shots. And then upstairs there's a bar. They got bathrooms on both levels, and then upstairs on the rooftop there's a DJ with some pretty cool lighting, some overhanging lights on top, and everybody's kind of dancing to the DJ. And then there's one really good table upstairs. They might add more down the road, they said, but for now there's one good table that overlooks kind of the Fremont Street East strip down here, okay? And so as far as bottle service goes, there's going to be some tables scattered throughout. I think the opening night here, they kind of had it opened up because they know they're going to have a huge crowd, so they made some room. So I haven't really actually seen all the tables that they're probably going to have in here for bottle service, but they're going to have some tables on every level, and we're going to have different bottle packages. We're going to combine some stuff with like Park on Fremont. We're going to combine some stuff with maybe some of their other venues here, and we're even working with another venue down the street, different management, called 700 Fremont. So we're going to have some bottle packages. Maybe you can come down here, have dinner, get a limo down here, and then hit up several more bars, get a limo back. Maybe have a bottle at each one type of thing. It'll be really cool, like kind of bar hop, VIP style, if you will, down here on Fremont Street. So we're looking forward to working with this group. Stay tuned. Click the link below for the bottle packages we got coming up. We'll have like one bottle and champagne, 2 bottles of champagne, or you can do vodka or tequila or whatever you guys are drinking. And it's going to be a pretty nice, fair price down here in Fremont Street. It's a lot less than what you're going to find down here in the Vegas Strip. And the party's just as good. I mean, it's packed houses tonight. If you would have seen how crazy it was in here tonight, it was lit. So definitely looking forward to some more fun nights out here in Fremont. If you have any questions, make sure you hit up my cell, 773-459-8133. And make sure you like this video, and do bang that notifications bell for more content like this. If you enjoy my channel, I really appreciate it. The channel is growing, and I do thank you for that. So I'm looking forward to working with you down here at We All Scream, and we'll talk soon. I'm Brian Pfeiffer. See you later. Bye.